Most people get this wrong. They assume LendSwift is just another payday or buy now, pay later app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access, flexible installment payments, and helpful budgeting tools all on one platform. When used responsibly, it can help cover short-term expenses without trapping you in high-interest debt. Here's how LendSwift works. The app allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before your official payday, often within a few hours. You can also split eligible purchases into smaller, manageable installments over a few weeks. Instead of traditional interest, LendSwift charges a flat fee per advance or transaction, which makes it easy to budget and avoid surprises. LendSwift also includes optional features like repayment reminders, dashboards to track spending, and alerts for upcoming due dates. These tools make it easier to manage your cash flow and prevent late fees. The downside? Overusing LendSwift can become costly. Frequent advances or missed payments add up quickly, and relying too heavily on the app may mask deeper financial issues rather than solve them. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only access funds you can realistically repay on time. 2. Set calendar reminders or app notifications for repayment dates. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund so you don't need to rely on advances continuously. Who is LendSwift best for? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. If your income is irregular or you struggle with repayment discipline, LendSwift may end up costing more than it saves. In conclusion, LendSwift in 2026 can be a useful financial tool, but only when used wisely. Track fees, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary solution rather than a long-term fix. Subscribe for more honest financial reviews and practical money tips to stay in control of your finances.